Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you from this to this. Guys, I will be showing you the best method to fade this type of skin fade and the right place to hide the transition. Now the first thing I like to do is to comb the hair of my client, making sure it's nice and even. With a 1.5 guard, the lever fully open, I'm going against the grain. Here I'm making sure that everything looks the same. Guys, I really appreciate all your support. You have been there with me from the beginning. I wish you the best of 2025. Please stay safe and I wish you the best of luck. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the video reach a wider audience. If you have any type of haircut you'd like to see, please write in the comment section below. Now, with a one guard fully closed, I'm going with the grain to the pattern of the hair growth to smooth the entire process. Now, with your preferred trimmer, make a guideline. Guys, pay attention when making this type of guideline because the outcome always depends on the initial guideline. Now, I'm removing all the excess hair underneath the guideline. Now, with the lever fully open, I'm making another guideline. Now, with the lever halfway closed, I'm taking out the middle line. Now, with the lever fully closed, I'm taking out the last visible line I created with my trimmer. Now, I move back in with my trimmer to detail the entire process. With the lever fully closed, I'm starting to create a fading perimeter, pushing about a 1 inch. Now, with the lever halfway closed, I'm continuing the process, moving 1 inch at a time. Guys, make sure you brush as you go. With the lever fully open, as you can see, this is the final spot. I will be using the parental bone as a transition point to connect the side to the top. As you can see, the transition is looking good and the entire process is coming together. Now, with the half guard halfway closed, I'm taking out the middle line. Now, with a half guard fully closed, I'm detailing the entire process. Here, I move back in with my trimmer for a more detailed look. Finally, I come in with my foil shaver to add more detail to the fade. When it comes to lining up a client, I do like to begin in the middle and work my way to the side. For this haircut, I won't be using any type of enhancement. This is a 100% haircut with no additional enhancement. Guys, if you like a detailed lineup tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. Guys, now we are coming to the end of the skin fade tutorial. Please, if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for checking this out, and I will see you in the next video.